Spanish, pan de sal, lit. Salt bread is a staple bread roll in the Philippines commonly eaten for breakfast. It is made of flour, yeast, sugar, oil, and salt. Pandesal.
Natin. Wait lang, anong oras na ngayon? 11:22. Mainit-init pa. 11:22.
Hindi sa Pinas yan?
Hindi, dahil, tayo, luto na si Jello.